You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word in English and in other languages. Yes, so there are going to be different pronunciations that are used. It's a Spanish word, monte, meaning a mount or a mountain. So in Spanish it'd be said monte, okay? It'd be the same in Italian, monte, and it has the same meaning. So anything that's kind of a bit Spanish or Italian is going to be said monte, okay? But in English, the English pronunciation purely of this word, if it's in an English-speaking country, it's as Monte, okay? So yes, you're going to have two different pronunciations that are correct. Monte, English pronunciation, but anything a bit Spanish or Italian, Monte or Monte. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.